It's a 2016 Honda Accord. Be prepared to emerge every day with head-turning looks, luxury, and good sense. Enjoy every drive with Bluetooth, USB audio interface, and dual-zone climate control. Safety is assured with the multi-angle rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines, vehicle stability assist with traction control, and hill start assist. And for better economy, this Accord is also equipped with an efficient Eco Assist system.
You can maintain a safe distance even in the busiest traffic with the adaptive cruise control. Feel confident getting from point A to point B with the navigation system. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Surprising luxury and sensibility for every day. Take this Accord for a test drive.
Try Largo Honda today and see why we are your premier South Florida Honda dealer. We're conveniently located at 554 Northeast 1st Avenue at US 1 and the Turnpike.